Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do an unboxing of the SPL case for the Mi 11 Lite. And I just got this on Amazon, so do check the link in the description for if you want to buy this particular case. And this is a matte finish case, guys. It is one of the slimmer cases which is available in the market, so I decided to get it because having a bulky case on a slim phone does not make any sense. So, and as you can see, the buttons and all and the ports etc, there it is well cut out, and this is not going to provide some additional kind of protection for your phone, guys, because it is very slim case. So I just decided to get it because this particular phone is a fingerprint magnet, and yes, this is one of the best cases available for this phone. And if you're new to this channel, guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And do share this video with your friends and family who are thinking of purchasing a case for their phone. And yes, this is one of the best no branded kind of case, which is really looking cool. And I actually wanted to get the matte black only because this phone deserves a matte black finish, guys, and as you can see, it really elevates the looks of this phone. And let me know in the comments below which case y'all are using. I wanted to get the Spigen case, but Spigen is not having any hybrid ultra cases for this phone, so decided to get this instead. And if you can see the camera cutout and all, they are really good, and even the IR blaster and the microphone etc. And I really like the slimness of this phone. You can see it is way slimmer than even my finger. And I would say if you are on a tight budget, definitely would get this case instead, because even like Spigen and all are having that added protection, but again it they are much more bulkier and heavier to use compared to this. As you can see, even I'm having no issues while charging and gripping this particular phone, guys. So yeah, so please consider this case if you are looking to buy a slimmer case for your already slim Mi 11 Lite, because it's a hell lot of light and slim phone. And I really like the texture at the back, and this resists all the fingerprints which you're having. And yeah, even if you scratch it, guys, it is not leaving some marks and all. So, and this is kind of a rubberized kind of feeling, I would say. And the handling is really good because this phone used to slip from my hand without a case, and I just got this for added grip. And removing this case is a bit difficult task, guys, so you all do have to keep that in mind, and it is not the easiest thing. And there are slightly some, I would say, air cushions, and this is not going to provide some added protection, and these are good for only covering up your phone just in case if you are going to get some light scratches and all. So this, I would say, not recommended if you are using this phone for a daily purpose, or if you are planning to go maybe outside for a tour or something. Definitely don't get this case. Get it only if you are using it casually. And yes, as you can see, the buttons and all, there is a cutout for the case to fit extremely properly over your phone. And highly recommend it if you have the Mi 11 Lite, especially for this price. Check out the link in the description for that. And again, for about 250 rupees I got this case on Amazon, guys, so that is a great bonus for this, and one of the cheaper cases, I would say, to get this if you are planning to use it maybe occasionally. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular case, whether you like this matte black Batman kind of look, or you would like to prefer something else. So in my case, guys, yes, this is going to be one of the thinnest and fantastic cases, so I'll be using this maybe for about 6 months, and then shifting this case. So also do subscribe to my channel for the upcoming 100% complete review for the Mi 11 Lite. I know there are less videos with this phone because very less people buy it, and most of the people will ask me whether they should go with the Mi 11 Lite or they should go with the Note 10 Pro. My suggestion is go with this because there are no games which are running on 120 fps right now, and most of them are going to run on 90 fps. So the 90 fps screen is better on this, and this comes with a 10-bit depth. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these awesome videos which we have it, and do let me know in the comments below what you think. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.